Temperature transducer. The next is the RTD. Temperature is one of the most widely measured and the controlled variable for that the industry, as a lot of the products during that the manufacturing requires the controlled temperature at various stage of the processing. A wide variety of the temperature transducer and the temperature measurement system have been developed for that the different application requirements. Most of the temperature transducer are of the resistant temperature detector, that means the RTD. It is the thermistor and thermocouples of these RTDs, and the thermistor are the passive device whose resistance change the temperature, hence the needs of the electrical power supply and to give the voltage output. On that the other hand, the thermocouple are the active transducer and based on the principle of the generation thermoelectricity. When the two dissimilar metals are connected together and to form that the junction is called the sensing junction, and EMF generate the proportional to that the temperature of that the junctions. In that case, thermocouple operate on that the principle of the Seebeck effect. Also, thermocouple introduce errors and can be overcome by using the reference junction, and the compensation is called the cold compensation. The RTD commonly used for that the platinum, nickel or that the any resistance wires whose resistance varies with the temperature and has the high intrinsic accuracy. Whereas the platinum is the most widely used for that the RTD because it is a high stability and the large operating range, whereas the RTD are usually connected to the Wheatstone bridge circuit. The leads of the wires used for that the connecting RTD introduce the error and hence the compensation is required. This is obtained by using for that the 3-wire and the 4-wire compensation. But it requires that this is the obtained by the using 3-wire and the 4-wire compensation, but 3-wire compensation is mostly used for that the industry. Another from that the temperature measurement by the use for that the thermistor. A thermistor used for that the thermally sensitive resistors and the exhibits change in the electrical resistance with the change in temperature. The thermistor made up from that the oxide exhibit resistance with the change in temperature. The thermistor made up oxide with the negative temperature coefficient, that means the NTC type. Radiation parameter are used where non-contact temperature is required to be the measured, and it measured the radiant heat emitted or that the reflected by that the hot object. That means the radiation parameters of that the two types of the two radiation parameters and the infrared parameters. That means the total radiation parameters virtually receive all of the radiation from that the heated parameters and are partial selective the radiation parameters are used in that the range of the 1000 degrees Celsius to the 12,000 degrees Celsius. Whereas the resistance temperature detector, that means the RTD, it is the resistance temperature detector commonly used for that the platinum, nickel or any resistance wire whose resistance varies with the temperature and which has the high intrinsic accuracy. They are available in many configuration and size as well as the shielded open units and the both immersions and the surface applications. The relationship between the temperature and resistance of the conductors in the temperature range nearby the 0 degrees Celsius can be calculated using for that the equation. The equation is equal to RT is equal to R reference in bracket 1 plus alpha delta T. Whereas the RT is the resistance of the conductor at the temperature T0 degrees Celsius. R reference is the resistance of the reference temperature. Alpha is the temperature coefficient of resistance. Delta T is the difference between operating and the reference temperature. Whereas the principle for that the RTD is the resistance of the conductor change changes when the temperature is changed. Almost the all metals have the positive temperature coefficient of that the resistance. So there is the resistance increases, the increases temperature. Some materials such as the carbon and germanium have the negative temperature coefficients resistance. A high value of a alpha is desired in that the temperature is the sensing element, so that the sufficient change in the resistance occurs for that the relatively small change in temperature. Where this change is the resistance can be measured with the Wheatstone bridge, which can be calibrated to indicate the temperature and the that cause the resistance change rather than the resistance itself. The sensing element of the RTD is selected according to that the intended application, whereas the RTD are the wire wound resistance with the moderate resistance and the PTC of the resistance. Platinum and that the most usually for that the resistance wire, they resistance wire type because of its high stability and the large operating range, whereas the nickel and copper are also used for that the RTDs. The temperature range of the various resistance wire, that means the platinum wire is the 200 degree Celsius to the 850 degree Celsius. Copper wire 200 degree Celsius to the 260 degree Celsius, and that nickel wire is the 18 degree Celsius to that the 300 degree Celsius. Where platinum RTD provides the high accuracy and stability, they have the advantages for that the RTD is the linearity overcome wide operating range, wide operating range, higher temperature operation, and the better stability of the high temperature. Where also disadvantages of that the RTD is the low sensitivity. It can be affected by the contact resistance, requires that the no point sensing, higher cost than other temperature transducer, and required the 3 or 4 wire for that its operation. The RTD are not adaptable to application requiring the fast response or that the small area temperature sensing, whereas the measurement of the temperature using that the RTD is done after that the proper calibration involves the conversion resistance. That means the RTD instrument here, whereas the Wheatstone's bridge is modified at the version. The RTD and its cells are connected in the one arm to the and the bridge essentially resistance measuring device, whereas the Wheatstone's bridge with the 2 wire connected as shown in that the figure, where ES is equal to power supply voltage, E0 is equal to output voltage used for that the monitoring and the controlling temperature, where R1 and R2 and R3 is the fixed value resistor, RT is the resistance of the temperature sensing element in that the RT, where RL and RL2 is the resistance of the leads connected in that the RTD element. The value of RT is control point or at the midpoint of the temperature range to be monitored. The arm resistor R1, R2 and R3, also these 3 values of the must be selected to the limit bridge current to avoid the self-heating, and that the RTD bridge resistor for that the achieving high accuracy, and that the bridge must be stable and insensitive temperature variation, whereas if the value of the lead resistance is very small and also variation of the lead resistance is small over that the temperature range compared as that the RTD value, whereas the errors introduced by the long lead significant and can be reduced using that the thick wire lead. That means 2 lead RTD is whereas the lower in cost and normally used for that the lead resistance, whereas the low comparisons with the ohms per degree centigrade resistance change in the RTD, or that the when the wire resistance compensation is provided, that is the instrumentation. The three-wire RTD connections, three leads wire RTD offers the participable method for that the lead wire compensation, that is the sufficiently accurate for that the industrial application. The bridge circuit is automatically compensates resistance change due to the ambient temperature change, which is the input to the instrumentations. A three lead RTD connected to the Wheatstone bridge as shown as the figure. This bridge circuit is used for the lead wire resistance and the comparisons with the ohms per degree centigrade sensitivity of that the RTD elements and the exam and significant comparison. Whereas in that the figure it can be seen that the one of the RTD leads L1 is the arm of the bridge and the RT is the second lead, L2 is the adjacent arm of with the R3. When the bridge is balanced, all the bridge arm resistance are equal and hence same current flow in that the bridge arms. The same current flows through that this leads L1 and L2 under the balance condition. Therefore the voltage drop across the identical and the adjacent arms will effectively cancel out. Hence the effect of the lead wires is eliminated. The third lead L3 is connected to that the output circuit of the bridge and has no effect on the bridge ratios or that the balance. Hence when the bridge is balanced, no current flows through that the L3 and therefore it has the no effect on the bridge balance. This is method gives the very good accuracy if the lead resistance are that the matched. Then next is the 4-wire RTD connection. The 3 lead RTD gives the sufficient accuracy and the most industrial application. However, when a higher degree accuracy and the precision is required, a 4 lead RTD connection is used. The 4 lead RTD is most expensive type, especially when the long 4 wire extensions the leads needed are connected to the instrumentation. Whereas the 4 lead RTD can be offer the greatest accuracy in that the instrumentation is properly designed for that the 4 lead RTD widely used for that the laboratory work, whereas the highest precise is required. In that the platinum resistor thermometer used for the platinum thin film sensor manufactured by that the very thin layer platinum in that the suitable pattern, whereas the smaller dimension and the higher resistance. So and the ceramic base, the deposition of that the layer and introduction pattern obtained using by that the different methods. This is the industrial platinum resistor thermometer. The resistance of the conductor change with the temperature is changed. This is property used for that the measurement of that the temperature. The resistance of the thermometers uses for that the change electrical resistance of the conductors and to determine the temperature. The requirements of the conductor of the material to used for that the thermometers, the change in resistor of that the material per unit change in the temperature as must be possible, and the resistance of that the material must have the continuous and the stable relationship with that the temperature. The main section of the resistance thermometer is the sensing element, and the characteristics of the sensing elements is determined the sensitivity and that the operating temperature range in that the instrumentation. Whereas this is the resistance thermometer connected to in the bridge circuit. This change for that the resistance caused by the resistance temperature detected by that the Wheatstone bridge. The temperature sensing element, which may be the nickel, copper or platinum contained in that the bulb or the well, along with the balancing bridge. From that the basic important concept of the temperature measuring system on this that the based principle. The sensing element RES made up from material is that the high temperature coefficient R1, R2 and R3 R1, R2 and R5 is the made up resistance, or that the practically constant temperature change. When the sensing element is very near to the bridge, the under balance condition following relationship holds to that the good, that means the R1 divided by R2 and the Rs divided by R5. The advantages of the resistance thermometer: this is the measurement is very accurate, indicators, recorders and controller can be the operated, the temperature resistance element can be easily installed, resistive element used for that the measure differential temperature, no necessary of the temperature compensation, external extremely accurate temperature sensing, performs of the stability over longer than the periods of the time.